Hello, my crafty friends, and welcome back to the finale of the October 2021 Creating Cards in 10 Minutes, where I show you how much you can get done in 10-minute snippets of time. Okay, I have decided to use some bling for some of these with the white ephemera. I'm just going to put some bling on here. And for the inside, I'm going to be using my leftover pumpkins from another project, as well as these teeny tiny darling little bats. I do not like to waste glitter paper, and I'm sure you're one of them too. And these were so small that I was able to do that. I went ahead and cut out my bats from around where I cut circles because it was small enough that I could use my glitter paper some more. Okay, so we're going to be doing that. Let me put it on a white piece of paper so I won't lose them. Too easy for me to do. And let's go ahead and put the time on the clock. Okay, 10 minutes, here we go. All right, let's put some bling on here. Just one, I think, is plenty there. We're gonna get the ones that need the bling on the front first, and then we'll do the inside. Okay, so let's put some bling on here. We've got some bats. Okay, so we've got that. Now let's start working on the inside. Okay. Gonna put my pumpkin. I've got little ones and big ones. So we'll put the pumpkin in the corner, in one corner, and we will put, let me bring this down a little bit for you. Okay. Put the bat in one corner and the pumpkin in the other corner. How does that sound? All right, isn't that just adorable? Little bitty. So there's one completed card. There we go, number 2. Got these pumpkins from a stamp and die set from Stamps of Life. Really, really cute. And I've used different colors also, different color oranges, dark orange, light orange, whatever I had in my stash. Fall is such a fun time of year. And I love it. It's just so beautiful. The weather is a little cooler and crisper. And there's different things going on. As we start to get back to a new normal, I guess you want to call it, we'll be going to county fairs again. And just, hay rides, all that good stuff, all that fun stuff. And then there's Halloween, and then Thanksgiving. So fall is full of goodies. I thought I had an extra here, and now I'm going to be short. I don't know why. Well, I have a plan for that too. We're going to have one. It's just a tad different, but that's okay. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, I happen to have, because I can't find, I will probably find it later. Can't seem to find one of my wayward bats. But I do have kitty. So I'll put the kitty up here. Okay. And then my last pumpkin. Okay, there we are. There are our 10 cards. Completely decorated for October 2021, just in time for Halloween. So I will be getting these out in the mail or be giving them to neighborhood kids. See where we are on the time. We have 1 minute and 35 seconds left. Make sure to watch the previous videos. If you have not, I will put everything in a playlist at the end of this video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye.